Hi, Jeff Ludy here, the founder of The Window Experts. I'm in our beautiful showroom in Houston. We have over a dozen brands of windows. Today I want to talk to you about wood windows. First of all, why would someone want a wood window? So we love wood because wood is paintable, wood is beautiful, wood is stainable. That's even a great thing about wood. And wood windows can be repainted. And that's something you can't get out of a vinyl window. You can't really paint a vinyl window. You certainly can't stain a vinyl window. And so wood windows are beautiful. I like to think about wood windows like you think about a wood burning fireplace. It just adds romance, it adds warmth, it adds natural beauty to whatever environment you're in. So the question is, well then, Jeff, if wood windows are great for the inside of my house, but not so great for the outside of my house, what do you do about that? Well, follow me. I'll show you what we do. So here's an example of a Windsor wood window cutaway. And you can see on the outside, this has a black finish, which is a powder coat. This is called a 2604 finish. And then on the inside, we have an actual wood interior finish. So you can see we have the beauty of wood and we have the insulating values of wood. Wood is a great insulator. The aluminum, not so much. And so that's why the aluminum on the outside, right, is just for protection of your home, protecting of the elements against the wood because we don't want the wood to get wet. And then we have the beautiful wood on the inside. And then you can see, in this case, we have a double pane. And that's how you get energy efficiency and you get the imperviousness to the weather and you get the warmth and the beauty of the inside. Now, this does come at a little bit of an expense. And when I say expense, I'm not just talking about the fact that this is more costly to make, not expensive, more costly to make than say a vinyl window would be, but it also does require more frame depth. Now, this particular unit is deeper than what we have to be, but usually you're going to get, the minimum you're going to get is just under about 5.5 inches on a wood window, meaning that if you don't have a 2x6 construction on your home, if you have 2x4 construction in your walls, there's a good chance that this window might be a little too deep, which what that means is you would lose some of that window sill that you have inside. So think about this, if you had shutters and you don't have a wood window now, this may not work. So a little bit of depth is going to be required, and that's something that we would need to come out to your house, take some measurements, and try to accommodate and see how that's going to work. Now, another option would be, then by the way, this is the way the Marvin does it, this is the way the pallet people do it, this is how the windows are done from Windsor, how they're done from Sierra Pacific, this is common, and this is exactly what you're going to get most of the time. Couple of other options for you though, if you're exploring wood windows, I have a couple ideas for you that someone may not have told you about. This one is made by Sierra Pacific, and this Sierra Pacific product is called their H3. It's the H3 because it's made out of 3 separate components. This one has 2 components. It has the wood interior, the aluminum exterior. This one has a wood interior, it has the aluminum exterior, just like that one does. But there's something unique and different about the center here. The center on this one, you notice, is actually made out of PVC. This PVC interior in the center here does a couple of things for us. One, it does help reduce the cost of the material, which is good, right? Saving a little bit of money can be helpful, especially if you have a lot of windows. But what it does for us too is it serves as a great insulator because we know that vinyl, PVC, is a poor conductor of heat and cold. So that's great, right? But also what it does is it gives us this stabilization of the size of the frame. So having this serves as our thermal barrier between the outside aluminum component to the inside wood component. We have this divider, this break, this separator, if you will, to help keep those two apart. So when you look at the window from the inside, you don't see that, right? It's a core to the product. It's not visible on the surface. And what I like about it is it gives it a longer lifespan than a typical, in some cases, wood window only product would give you. So I like that. Same glass. You got a lot of glass options when it comes to that. This particular one I have here actually has a laminated glass feature, but you can get the beauty of it. But then here's another thing that we're trying to solve, right? Here's that problem we were talking about a minute ago, and it's the frame depth. And you can see here that if I put these 2 windows up against each other here, you can see how this one is not as deep as that one. Now it's not by a lot, but every half inch, every quarter inch, every inch counts. And so we can get a little bit shallower frame depth so that it may fit in more applications than you would. Now, I'm going to blow your mind and introduce you to a third option. You said, well, Jeff, Introduce me to Widow Jane, if you don't mind. No, that's for later. This option right here is called Infinity from Marvin. Now, if you've watched any of my videos, and I'm going to put a link to it here, I believe that this is probably the best value window you can buy. It's going to be stronger, more durable than vinyl, and it's going to last longer than wood will, and it's going to be the best insulator on the market, and it's going to be really, really well built, okay? And it's going to be installed professionally because this particular product has to be installed by certified installers, whereas some of the other brands, you know, they don't always have that quality of installation. But you say, well, Jeff, this is a composite. I thought we were talking about wood windows. Ta-da! So this has a composite wood-like interior called Everwood. This actually can be stained, it can be painted, and it even has the feel of real wood to it. And this is a game changer. Now, the outside on this doesn't come in a lot of colors, right? You're going to sacrifice some colors, but it is paintable because if you didn't want to paint it, you could yourself. So let me show you. Walk over this way with me. This is the Infinity from Marvin display, and I want you to just come in here and see how nice this looks. Here I have the Everwood interior on this door, and you can see this looks just like a regular, real wood door. But unlike a real wood door that's going to expand and contract and maybe have some issues, this will not do that because this is a very, very strong, rigid product. You can see here how we have it on the wood on these windows as an example, so you can see how that looks. And I'm telling you, you can stain this stuff, you can paint this stuff, and it'll make you very happy. Here's a demo that we have where we show that this window sash is in a, well, it doesn't have water in it right now, but we do when we have demos. This is a fish aquarium. You can literally put this stuff in the water and not worry about it expanding and contracting or warping or peeling or flaking or chipping because it's so well built. It is a modern invention of convenience, technology, durability, and beauty. So yes, you can get the look of wood and you can get the benefits of composites all in one product. So which one of those do you think you like better? Do you like the traditional wood window with no exterior coatings? Do you like the wood window with aluminum exterior? Do you like the H3 from Sierra Pacific where it has 3 components? Or do you like the composite with Everwood from Infinity? Leave a comment. Tell me which one you like. Now, if you live in this area and you're looking to buy windows or ask questions about windows in Texas, I can help you here at the Window Experts. If you live somewhere else, I started this list of great window companies because people ask me for that all the time, where you can go check out and see if I have somebody near you. It's called jeffslist.com. And if you're looking specifically for information about the Infinity from Marvin window, go to buyinfinity.com to find a window company near you. If you like this, don't forget to hit like, don't forget to subscribe, and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you again real soon.